A sanding belt is like the ultimate sidekick in your woodworking or metalworking adventures, ready to transform rough, stubborn surfaces into smooth, polished masterpieces. Imagine a flexible strip of material, wrapped in a tough, gritty surface, rotating at high speeds to tackle everything from coarse shaping to delicate finishing. Whether you're smoothing out a wooden tabletop or refining the edge of a metal component, the sanding belt gets the job done with finesse. It's all about control and efficiency, allowing you to power through projects with ease while leaving behind a perfectly uniform finish. The belt's grits come in different levels, from rough to fine, so you can start with aggressive material removal and work your way down to a silky smooth surface. What makes sanding belts so fun is their versatility and dependability. They're designed to fit snugly into various sanders, like belt sanders or portable sanders, and come in different sizes to match your specific needs. You can rely on them to last through tough jobs without wearing down too quickly, thanks to their durable construction. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about watching the material transform under your hands as the belt does its magic, revealing a perfectly smooth finish where once there was roughness. It's a tool that not only enhances your work but also makes the process enjoyable, turning what could be a tedious task into a rewarding, creative experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, a sanding belt is a must-have in your toolkit, bringing both power and precision to every project.